Move there, everyone. Open. Happy birthday, Ichun! Happy birthday, Erson! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Why? Happy birthday, Erson! Ah,
It's cold.
you make a wish. Na. Come here na.
Nag-wish na ako.
Wow, come here. Come. Ah, you open your presents. Come here, everyone. You have present. This is yours. That's yours. Come on.
Pagkain yan?
Tingnan mo ah. Oh, pero ang dami. Kay Erwan yan.
Perfect.
Ah.
Perfect. Akala ko din.
Ang dami oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh.
Baka parang to.
Hindi. Oh, see? What's that? This is yours, Erwan. This is your present. Here. Here. Ang muna. Oh. What? You put it there, Why are you hiding it?
Thank you. What's this?
Huwag mong itago.
Is this chocolate?
I don't know.
I know that this is chocolate. What's this? Box. And the box.
Ah.
Juice. Good. Oh no.
What's that? Ano yan?
Juice.
Tan, ta, ta, tan.
No.
Tarararan, ta, tan. Ayan.
Greek heroes.
Ano yan? Ganda.
Pages. Yeah. Book. No. What is this?
Ano yan?
Regalo mo lang.
Book yan. Tama.
Di ba mahilig ka sa coke? Oh, di may coke ka na.
Pakita mo rin
Bakit mo tinatago?
No, yun pala bakit? Kaya kayo. Puro lahat chocolate.
Nabigay mo yung isa kay Erwan. Pabukas mo.
I only got 3 games.
Amay sa kaya
Ito lang. Mabuo.
Cake!
Ang ano luto na. Yung luto.
Ano ikaw ang sublima?
Uy, ka. Baka makita na ito na ni Erwan. Buo nga namin.
Pabayaan mo muna siya.
Wala na, yan lang.
Oo, naghanap ka pa. Grabe ka naman. Ang dami-dami niya na. O si Erwan isa lang oh. Ito yung gift mo, Erwan Erwan. Oh, this is your gift. You open. Open it. What's that?
Open.
What's that? Munan sa...
What's that?
A crescent. Crescent shape. What's that? Open it. That's your present. Open. You open.
Buffy!
Parang ito sa palaran na